Oh, that I'm putting this vlog together with yesterday's because yesterday I barely filmed anything. And I had some friends come over and I didn't want to film like while they were there. It was gonna be weird and stuff. And plus I was cooking and we were too busy talking and catching up and stuff. So yeah. When you ask your husband to change the kid's diaper because you know he shitted. Hello. My hair looks ridiculous, but I did my makeup a little bit, and I'm here with the kids, and what they want to go get gas, and we're going to my mother-in-law's house. Probably they're gonna sing happy birthday and stuff. And yeah, that's it right now. Dante is knocked out. Kaleli is like yawning, digging his boogers, of course. And the baby's in the back there. And then like my shirt. I'm loving it. It's Jason. I had to wear a Halloween shirt for my birthday. Like, I don't care.